Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and it's another SDE for Aldin, and yeah, back-to-back SDE for the weekend. Tomorrow I'll be back to work, so fucking it's gonna be. Ooh, I hit my window. Whoopsie. Just came across this plant burn. They're burning part of the. There you go. Oh my god. I'm stuck in traffic, and they're having this plant burn. And yeah, it might take me a long time here. I don't know if you can see it, but the burning parts of it. But they have water cannons to control it. It's a bit smoky everywhere now. Far out. Look, it's like smoky up here. Yeah, I can see some people that are working on it. Okay, far out, it's really smoky. Finally, end of road work. Back to the normal street situation. I think I passed by the wrong. Look at that. Okay, I'm already here. I'm freaking late. I hated this traffic on a Sunday. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave my camera here. I'm not gonna vlog because I'm gonna do hardcore work today. Okay, see you later. Okay, so I'm here and I just realized Aldin went to the groom's place. Problem is there's no internet here, so I can't check the schedule for today. So I'm fucked up. I'm stuck in here. Not really fucked up. Anyway, I'll just start shooting. Yeah, I just start shooting. Second day of filming. Tingnan mo si Don. Yari na. Don. Boss. Kumusta ang gabi nyo? Sinong naunang bumigay?
Pinalakol ko si Aldin.
Ha?
Sinipak ko ba? Siya yung kao.
Hardworking yung boss ko.
Dati natin baka may pagkain.
How you going, Don? How's your day?
So, you wanna come?
I wanna come. What? So, checking out. Yep. So yeah, we're here in the reception at Tatra and just finished dinner. Not a lot of vlogging because we're working. Location. And this is our work area. Here the guys here. So yeah, I'm using a stereo microphone, so it's gonna be noisy.
That side, yeah, because how long?
Where's the screen?
Yeah, so I can bring that out now.
Uh-huh.
So will we put it? Because I can just put it in front of the wishing well on that for now, and then I can just put it back down.
Oh, okay.
So I'll just need to put it on that side.
Yeah,
How long's the cord?
I'll check with them how long the cord is.
Yeah, it's probably just easier to be on that side then.
Okay.
So I'll start setting that up now.
Okay. It's so loud. The audio here is so loud. Pwede, kaya ba? Sige, export mo na sa kumuno.
Kaso 5 minutes.
Oh, kaya yan. Anong type ka mag-play?
8 daw eh. May spaces pa ba?
Meron pa.
Na-check mo yung yung audio ng mga sasalita mo?
Oo, meron. Pero kaliwa lang. Okay lang yun.
Baka ma'am yung iba.
Check ko lang.
Sige. That's where I need to go.
I-forward mo nga sa website ng lalaki. Kung ka-tell yung natin mo lang yung mga pero tayo isa ng ganun
Rent at my Broadway.
Marriage is being in love for the rest of your life.
Finally, we're done with the wedding now. So we're done with the work today. It's around 9:30. I'll be heading home now. And yeah, back to work tomorrow. Hey, what you call it, baby?
Are you ready? Hey! Have you got an aim for where you're going? You know where you're going? Got a good distance? Watch out for the chandelier. A 1, a 2, a 3.
Nakadilim na to. Ay, Mikel, mag-video ka kunwari. Ano yun? Sabihin mo. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ano yun? What's that?
Tingnan mo.
Is it the one Nicholas Chenek?
Oh my God.
Okay. Is it anak ni Janice?
Anak mo dyan.
What are you doing here?
Wala yung takip.
Baka dyan sa ano? Ano yan? Pumuti yung paningin ko.
Tikman niya. Ano kaya yun?
Tinikman mo rin.
Tikman niya.
Hindi ko tikman. Eto, girlfriend.
Napahiga ka ba sa bed? Hihiwalay ba to?
So, a typical night out with the boys. What are you looking at, Don?
Gadget lang ito yun.
So, yeah, I'm nearly home. Fuck, where's my camera? So, I gotta get some lighting on my face. So, I'm nearly home. Just grab some macas and grab some fuel. And yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. It's already 12 a.m. and I still have work tomorrow. I wish the lighting's good because it's so dark now. It's like 12 a.m. Motherfucker.